I've decided to, in fact I've started to build this plug up with silicon bronze, and actually the bronze rods will probably be cheaper than buying a new bit of bronze to make the plug. Plus it keeps it original, keeps all that bit. This is actually a cast in this, it's actually a hollow inside of there. So I'm going to try and get the camera in and show you the welding process. I'm using straightforward DC TIG at about 150, 160 amps and probably backing off to about 100 amps once it starts going, because I'm using a foot pedal. All I can do is bring the camera in, try and get a decent arc shot. I don't like to try and show decent arc shots. I'm going to be using an air-fed helmet as well, because there's some horrible fumes come off this stuff. I don't normally bother, but with this stuff I definitely will be. This is actually the wife's Artec air-fed helmet. Should get the wife to weld the fucking thing. It's still got a long way to go. I'm hoping it's going to clean up. Hoping it is. I've changed tools. That's actually a tip for cutting aluminium. I find it cuts bronze really well. Absolutely, definitely touching all the way down, nothing the matter with that. Once that's tidying up with the die grinder and then lapping in, and that's be good to go. You tell when you put it on, it's gripping, it's not piss wobbly, it doesn't want to come apart. I'm going to put a little bit of fine lapping paste on here, and this tape I should go straight in because it was cut on exactly the same setting, so it should just go in quite nicely. certainly feels good. There's no piss wobbly on it. Right, what we're aiming for is a nice matte finish, which is probably what we've got. Absolutely spot on. There's some little pinholes there, they won't make any difference at all. If anything, they'll hold a little bit of oil. That looks good in there as well. Yeah, so we've got full seat all the way down. Really happy with that, really happy. Next thing is to make a blanking plug for the bottom of there, and I'm going to put an 8th BSP thread in so you can put a little drain valve into it to stop it from freezing up again. Right. I'm going to drill and tap that 8th BSP. These do not like going backwards, these chucks. They just don't like it at all. They just come loose. Prove us wrong, you bastard. Right, we need to port that off now and then weld it into the bottom of the tap fitting. I welded the blanking plug in. It's been drilled and tapped 8th BSP for a little drain plug. I'm going to lap it in once more and then I'm going to put it together and I'll try and put a pressure test on it. Some really fine lapping paste, give it one more lap in and then we'll try it together. Right, we used 40 grit before. This is 80 grit, classed as fine. I don't know if you can still get this stuff, but it really is excellent gear. Just does the job. This one's designed for babbitt material and bronze material, so it's in its element really. Right, that's splendid. We've got a lovely matte grey all the way down. And it's exactly the same in there. The issue is the studs aren't straight, the studs are pissed. It does go together, but the studs aren't straight. I've loosened them off slightly to get it to go together. Oh, you bastard. That's better. Oh, that's tight, that. The thing is, it's going to taper all the way down, so it will be tight. That's pushing that into that taper. Right. I found a little tap that I've screwed in here. Act as a drain valve. You'd probably find a better one, or at least cut the threads off there if you didn't want them on. I think I put a little test, like an air test on it, something to go across there to blank that off. The fitting here I made for something else will probably do the job for us. I can get one nut and bolt through there, and I can put a clamp on somewhere else. And just a clamp on there, and that rubber ring should seal it quite merrily. Of course, all of that clamps are up there, aren't they? It'll not take much because it's a rubber, nice soft rubber joint I put in there. That'll probably do the job. Getting near tidy the bench up time again. Right, we'll put some air on there and see exactly what happens. It's leaking very, very slightly. I can hear it bubbling through. I didn't expect it to be 100% sealed. There is a thread in there so you can put a blanking plug in. Once again, it's time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do, it is still important. But like I keep on saying, it's nowhere near as important as the fact that I keep banging on about mental health. If me banging on about mental health means one person tries to help somebody or tries to help themselves by going to get help, it's all worthwhile. It's not easy to sit here and talk about mental health. You get a big lump in your throat. It's not pleasant. Like I say, help is available and you don't need to go and get help. Anyway, once again, thanks for watching.